The Lagos Blue Rail Line, also known as the Lagos Rail Mass Transit, is a rail project under construction in Lagos, Nigeria. The project is being developed by the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority with the aim of providing a modern and efficient mass transit system for the growing population of Lagos. The Blue Line is one of the two proposed rail lines in Lagos, with the other being the Red Line. The Blue Line is a 27-kilometer long standard gauge rail line that will run from Okokomaiko to Marina with 30 stations in between. The project was initiated in 2008 and construction began in 2010. When fully completed, the Lagos Blue Rail Line is expected to provide a safe, affordable, and efficient means of transportation for the people of Lagos, reducing the every traffic congestion and long commute time that are currently prevalent in the city. The project is also expected to have a positive economic and social impact, creating jobs and boosting local businesses along the rail corridor.
Welcome to Blue Line train. This train runs from
The first phase of the Lagos Blue Rail Line has been commissioned by President Muhammadu Buhari with fanfare and a speech by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The first phase of the 30-kilometer elevated train network stretches from Marina to Mile 2. At the event, the governor signed a document to kickstart the second phase of the Blue Rail project, which will cover a 14-kilometer stretch from Mile 2 to Okokomaiko and is expected to be completed by May. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video, and do it to drop your comments in the comment section. So enjoy this video to the very end.
Mr. Governor, Mr. Deputy Governor, Mr. Speaker, sir, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I can boldly say we have delivered, sir.